Hey everyone, James here from Parts Express. I just wanted to remind everyone to keep checking our website for all the latest special offers on specific items such as our deal of the day. Right now we're highlighting our speaker kits section because, beginner or expert, now is the perfect time to begin and decorate your own project. Whether you built one or not, you may want to check out our customer project gallery. Here you can see what your fellow speaker builders are coming up with for a little bit of inspiration. It doesn't matter if it's a kit or something uniquely your own, you can submit it, and if we post it, you can earn $25 worth of Parts Express credit. And since I know you all like free stuff, I want to go ahead and announce the winner of the April giveaway. But before we get to that, I want to thank you, our loyal customers, for your continued support during the COVID-19 crisis. Thanks for following our social media, checking out new projects on our site, and placing orders for cool new gear. We appreciate each and every one of our customers. So let's get to that giveaway winner. Now this winner will receive this recording kit from Shure, which includes the MV88 Plus video kit and a pair of SRH240 headphones. Now this prize can only be won by one person, and that person is Ernie Gumbles from Omaha, Nebraska. Congratulations, Ernie. We'll be in contact soon. Now, if you didn't win this time, head over to the website now to enter the May giveaway, where you could win a 6-channel amplifier from Pyle, which has Bluetooth and USB, as well as a pair of 6.5-inch waterproof marine speakers, which in turn are worth nearly $200. You can't miss that. Good luck to everyone, and I'll see you next month when we pick a winner.